Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Afar, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in the previous video, I informed you that Tigray Defense Force in control of Kobo in Amhara region, and furious fighting ongoing in Amhara region between Amhara forces, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force, especially in Wag Hamra. And Tigray Defense Force advancing towards more areas in Amhara region like Voldia, Sikyota. And according to Dadibet Media, 608 Amhara militias and Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers dead and 750 wounded in a place between Teselmeti and Adi Arke during fighting. And this is on top of the 3,785 troops dead and 224 captured during the operation named after the Tigrayan mothers. And now many sources claiming that Tigray Defense Force entered in Adi Arke, Amhara region. And after a clashes, Tigray Defense Force took control on Adi Arke, Amhara, after gained control on Kobo, Amhara. And now advancing toward more areas. Viewers, Adi Arke is situated in Gondar. It is a first town entering to Amhara region, leaving from Tigray. And now from many sources, Tigray Defense Force took control on Adi Arke, Amhara. Viewers, since yesterday, pictures of some children have been circulating on social media, which is being claimed by the Ethiopian army that they are soldiers of Tigray Defense Force. And they are still very young, who have been caught by Ethiopian National Defense Force during the war in the Afar region. And interviews from Ethiopian media are also coming up, while Tigray Defense Force sources are claiming that they are not Tigray Defense Force soldiers. They are citizens, those who were abducted by Ethiopian National Defense Force. And now these kids are being interviewed based on lies. Well, more investigations are being done right now. For more information, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.